welcome to another edition of the Traveling Show. We're in Puerto Rico, and we're in a very special place in Puerto Rico. It's called Luquillo, not far from Yunque. Here, we're visiting a place called Las Paylas, and that's like a waterfall after waterfall after waterfall, and they form pools. You'll see this. It's very nice. Anyway, I'm glad that you're back. Let's go check this out.
For this trip, we decided to call Cousin Tony, an expert on the Yunque, Las Paylas, and a top musician.
That's Cousin Tony with one of the tourists that came here to the island.
To get to Las Paylas, we used Google Maps. It took us directly to the place. We pulled up to this guy's house. We parked the cars in his backyard, gave him a couple of dollars, and we were on our way into Las Paylas. We had a wonderful time and a wonderful afternoon up in the Yunque at the various pools. But it's time now to get something to eat. And we're going to head out to Luquillo and Luquillo. If you're in the Luquillo Yunque area, this is a must stop. Look at those. Hold it! Yeah, I want to stop there. This is all local food, and it is absolutely wonderful. And I want to stop there, but wait a minute, we're not going to stop? Well, I'll take one of those. Yeah, Until next time, it's Cuchito with the Traveling Show.